This is lesson 4.5, example 3. We are using the given measurements to find the perimeter of this lovely square here. We know it's a square because they say it's a square, and also because they only gave us one measurement. Now, the definition of a square is that it is, one of the definitions of a square, rather, two pairs of parallel lines that never touch, 4 right angles, as we have here, and all the sides are exactly the same length. So they only gave us one measurement, but I know that if this side of the square is 1.5 inch, then this side of the square is 1.5 inch, and this side of the square is 1.5 inch, and this side of the square is 1.5 inch. And I don't have to write that. I already know that because that's the definition of a square. That's what a square is. All the sides are equal. So, how are we going to find the perimeter of the square? We're going to add all 4 of these up. So, let's write that out. 1.5 plus 1.5 plus 1.5 plus 1.5. And I'm going to stop there because that's 4 and I don't need to add any more. Lucky me, squares, I don't have to find a common denominator. I'm also not going to turn these ones, just like in the last 2 examples, I'm not going to change these into improper fractions either. I could. It would just be 3 halves. 3 halves 4 times, and I could do that. That's fine. For this one, I'm just going to add the fractions and the whole numbers separately. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 holes. 4 holes. And 1, 2, 3, 4 halves. And 4 halves. And now I know that 4 halves can be simplified. 2 goes into 4 2 times. And there's nothing left over. So 4 and 4 halves equals 6. And I could corroborate that if I did this. If I did do improper fraction, 3 halves plus 3 halves plus 3 halves, that would equal 3, 6, 9, 12. 12 over 2. And 2 goes into 12. Simplifies that down to 6. But I'm not done yet. 6 what now? 6 inches. The perimeter of this square is 6 inches. And that is perimeter with fractions.